Hey, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jane, and today, it's January the 24th, Monday, January 24th here in Oz, and finally, my parcel arrived. Now, I have been buying up big on the bargains because, so happy I got that postcard. That's the other one, because I've already got this one. Here he is in the middle of the ring like a circus. And so my $12 bargains this one, the F proof in chocolate brown, loving it, beautiful, weatherproof, sweat proof, F proof, gag proof, cry proof, great. Oh, beautiful. And she's got the whip. Oh yeah, looks good. I need some of that. But I might try the other one. It's even got the Jeffree Star approved mascara, tissue. Love the attention to detail. I love it. And yay! I got the berry winkle sprinkle. Woohoo! Loving it. She's pretty. Yeah. So, don't pay full price. Look out for the sales. Because this stuff is dear. But, I did pay full price for these. This is not sponsored, by the way. I love it. Oh yeah. This one. Mushroom Dream. This is part of the new psychedelic circus. And I can't wait to try it. Oh, no. Okay. I suppose I need to use this one. Oh yeah. Very nice. I think that will match very nicely tonight. And see, January 24th, now that I must have purchased these prior to December. And this is the other one, and it's in Lizard Jewel. Loving it. These are the liquid lips. Now, if you need a lipstick, to stay on all day. These are for you, the liquid lips. People complain sometimes about them being dry, but to me, these are the best liquid lips I have ever tried. And I have tried a few. Alright. So, I'm going to put some of this on the blue. Let's see what she looks like. Very interesting. Very nice. I like it. Yes. I love it. Very happy with that. Very happy with it all. Now, if you're looking for some good skincare, he's the man. Jeffree is the man. Now, I was using, where is it, this? Here it is. Let's watch the collapse now. Moisturizer. Beautiful, but she's gone, baby. So I had to get another one, just like the other one, but seeing as I'm going with the banana thing, I got the banana one. She's beautiful, a beautiful moisturizer. Love it. A little bit goes a long way. And I'm sure that will be the same with the new Wyoming winter collection. Really is good stuff. This is beautiful. I don't think I could live without it now. I don't think I could live without the strawberry water cleanser and the strawberry water facial toner, and I don't think I could live without the Jeffree Star serum. Beautiful, very nice, love it. Or hydrating eye cream. I don't know the names, but yeah. This is good. You like it. So if you can afford it, get the bundle. Get them all. This is not sponsored. It just makes me very happy. I just really love this makeup. And so thank you, Jeffree. No haters. No haters. I don't care what you think. This makes me very happy. Thank you, Jeffree. Okay. Mwah. Love and light.